Well, the things I do for work, I am going down a hole. So I'm going down an old air shaft into a tunnel that's going through a mountain. Got to be done.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
And away you go.
Right, let's undo this. Welcome, John. Go down here.
Go down there and then to your right.
Don't touch the red stuff on the ground. There's a pile of rubble at the far end. They were meant to push some in there, but they got carried away. The bulldozer driver got carried away, pushed far too much up, and blocked the drain.
Oh gosh.
So the water comes out
That's where
this
the
way.
water comes from.
Welcome to Pit Bottom.
Your keyboard.
This is interesting. This is called a rider. It's a thin coal seam. There's coal seams above and below us here. This one was much too narrow to work. You can still see people hack bits of coal out of it.
So this is the reason the tunnel closed originally then?
That's right. And if you have a look, you can see in the middle, but pretty rotten, quite frankly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we are.
But it's okay. Right, this is the cog or coupe. It was put here in 1968 when they first discovered some distortion in the roof of the tunnel. It's basically designed to stop the tunnel from collapsing badly while they found the money to repair the fault. It's never collapsed. The coog here doesn't support it, or doesn't touch the tunnel roof in any place. And in fact, the problem now is that the coog itself is so soft, it's tending to be a bit rotten. So I think it'll fall down before the tunnel does. Temporary movable barrier down the middle. Cyclists will go down one side. On this side, we will use, basically, we see these alcoves as a potential huge exhibition space. And we want to bring all sorts of things in here. We've had a number of ideas. There's so many of them, we can have the lot, quite frankly. This could be a sort of second part of another part of the Museum of Wales. Or we could have things to attract youngsters, digital arts, displays. One thing I'd like to see is a museum which would show some of the industries that have come and gone from South Wales over the last 50 odd years.
How long did it actually take to construct?
5 years, from 1885 to 1890. And they were planning to reopen it in about the spring of 1890, but the Board of Trade inspector, a man called Colonel Rich, came along and wouldn't allow it to be opened because there's a section further down which hadn't got a brick lining like we've got here. And so he condemned it, but they built the brick lining, they put the lining in there in 6 weeks, so it was about 3/4 of a mile of it. That was quite an achievement.
So, and the full length of the tunnel
is 3148 metres. It's 77 yards short of 2 miles. But when we if we put the extension in at Blind Grinfy, it will actually be more than 2 miles. So we're hoping for that.
There we go. Right. Well done.
Yeah, excellent.
Okay, one way. One, turn around now with me, please. Lovely jubbly. 1, 2. You're safe to go.
My friend. Okay, excellent. John Arroyo. Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Okay.
You're welcome.